Hello there, I've got a question for you. What do you do when you're in quarantine and you can't get out to buy flowers? The answer is raid your recycling and get creative and create some DIY containers instead. Have you got a cupboard piled high with tinned foods? Don't put your empty cans straight into recycling. You could make a farmhouse style can instead. Do you buy your milk from the supermarket in 2 litre bottles? Again, don't throw your bottle in recycling. Make a farmhouse style jug with a little rope handle detail. And have you been baking during this period of quarantine? Have you got loads of plain flour you don't quite know what to do with? How about making some salt dough and create some little ball beads and use them to decorate this little plant riser? I really hope you enjoy the 3 projects I'm going to share with you. If you've got any questions, come on over to my free Facebook group, Flower Start World, and I'll answer them there. Alternatively, tag me on Instagram at flowerstart with an underscore at the end and use the hashtag flowerstart.